friend, he came from Sydney. You will not gonna believe he got the job in 1 month in Adelaide.
Okay.
And everyone was saying to me that there is no market of IT jobs in Adelaide, and he got job again in 1 month. So I personally believe if anyone wants to have a job, he should have a plan. Because again, in this generation, no one has a plan. No
Yeah.
one has a plan, man. You have a plan, you have secured your job. I had a plan, I have secured my cricket and job. Again, if anyone doesn't have a plan, he will not gonna end up having job.
Yeah. So that's the important thing, because there are so many people doing the same thing. You have to stand out, you have to build your personal brand, and you have to do something different. And I'm not saying that, oh, make this or make this innovation. I'm just talking about having a personal brand, having a personal identity, so that you can actually represent that when you're in an interview, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now that you have the job, we've talked about key responsibilities, we've talked about how to stand out. Main question: what is the pay like?
Okay. So if you are going for a basic role, IT basic role, so I believe that it starts from 60.
Yep.
From 60 and it will gonna finish, let's say 70. That's the basic startup.
Yeah.
And then after that, once you have experience, and it depends also on your skills, that how you actually again market your skills.
Yeah.
Then you will gonna end up like next year, second year could be 80, 85, third year 90, 95, fourth year more than 100. Again, you must have a plan.
Yeah.
Once you start with the basic role, then you can go to networking, maybe let's say cybersecurity, or you can go to other levels as well. But again, you should know that okay, this year I'm gonna start with this, but next year I have to change.
Yeah.
Because that's how you're gonna build up your career.
Yeah. All right. So a couple of last questions. Second, you're currently working in the government, but what are some other sort of organizations that your friends or colleagues would have worked at? So what sort of organizations should students or recent graduates target?
I think there are a few big companies in the market at the moment. Like PwC is one of the best company, big company. You can target PwC because I think when I was in PY, so my colleagues, he was working in PwC, and he told me that they have a quota to, I think, to recruit 1,000 or maybe 2,000.
Okay.
Yeah, per year.
Yeah.
That's they do it.
And they hire a lot of international
Yeah,
students.
yeah. So this is what I had to know. Like I don't know personally, but my colleague was
Yeah.
working again. So that PwC is one of the big company. Then again, Datacom is a big company. You could go for it. APCD is working in regional areas. So if anyone is living in regional, APCD is the key to go, and they can easily recruit you because they need people who are living in regional and who have a little bit knowledge of IT, because they have to pay you less money. So it's a very good opportunity for the regional people. And again, there are many other companies as well who are working remotely. Like you just need to sit at home.
Yeah.
You just need to pays would be less, but again, you just need one step.
It starts with a step.
Exactly. Once you start, and then you can go higher and higher.
Yeah. One thing that I've seen a lot of people talking about is if you're working in IT, you can work in admin at a company and then move on to IT. Does the admin role help you in your skills assessment, PR? Like, what is this thinking that is going around?
Well, it's true and false as well. So basically, if you're working in any admin role in any company, IT company, so again, you're
No, doesn't have to be IT company, any
let's say
company.
any admin role, and then you're saying that he's gonna switch
Yeah.
role in IT in the same company.
Or can use the admin
Role as
skills
a-
and responsibilities as skill assessment or PR.
It's hard, but again, if you are working for any small organization, they can do it.
Okay.
The thing is, they don't want to lose you.
Yeah.
The big companies, they don't do it because let's say when the investigation starts, let's say you're doing for PR, everything doing for PR. If the investigation starts, and if they find out, let's say that's not correct, so obviously the big company name will gonna come in that, let's say.
Yeah.
And then obviously that's why they don't give you that favor. If small companies, any Indian, Pakistani, or anyone who has
Yeah.
developed a software house or something, they can do it obviously because they know that their company is so small. Otherwise, if anyone
Yeah.
gonna call, they will
Yeah.
gonna call straight to C.
Yeah,
that's it.
absolutely.
But with the big company, the call will gonna go to manager, to reception, to others. So it's very hard for those companies. But again, if you want to work in admin and want to switch your role, then you could do it. But again, if you just want to work as an admin and want to show your responsibility as an IT, it's 50-50.
Yeah.
You could do it.
All right. So this video has been very helpful. Any last advice that you have for people in IT?
Yeah. I've got an advice for everyone, like not for IT even, that whatever you're doing, do with your passion, do with your 100%. Don't even think about your second or third plan again, and believe in yourself. You have left everything back in your country. You are here. Still, I've seen a lot of people who has achieved a lot of things, and now they don't push themselves. You have a lot of in you. You just need to again see that motivation, or see that part, that you can still achieve those goals. It doesn't matter you're 35, 45, 50. Again, there are so many examples. Like if you go to KFC, everyone goes to KFC. We know the McDonald's, and everyone, we know the history about that. But again, you must believe in yourself. I'm playing cricket, I'm doing job, I've got family responsibilities, I'm doing everything. But again, you just need to believe in yourself. Sometimes it's a little bit struggle. Sometimes you know, like you fed up, you go like, you want to sit on a beach and want to cry or want to shout. I usually just want to cry in front of my God. This is what I usually do when I get alone. So again, do it. But whenever you, let's say, come back from those situations again and fight hard, as long as you have the spirit to fight, you can achieve everything.
Start with a plan. But yes, that's the end of a very major video, because
Yeah.
everybody is doing IT.
Yeah, it starts with a plan.
Not a lot of people share the same mindset.
Exactly. Yeah.
But yes, bringing more videos to you in different occupations. But yes, like, share, and subscribe.